My parents are also in this room, and I would also like to thank them because they have time and again not only encouraged me to break the barriers, break the glass ceiling, but to shatter them. Walking through Dhaka University is like walking through history. This is a line we were taught in class, and I think it beautifully sums up all of our experiences here. Assalamu alaikum to our esteemed guests, respected teachers, fellow students, and parents. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to speak on behalf of all the talented students here. As I stand before all of you today, having graduated from the University of Dhaka and the University of Oxford, the Oxfords of the East and West, if I may say, I can say with immense pride and conviction that every single thing I learned at the University of Dhaka, inside and outside the classroom, helped me succeed at Oxford and continue to help me succeed across all spheres of my life. Sometimes it is still quite hard for me to believe that I'm getting the Honorable Dean's Award today. I was always a very average student in school. I studied math, I struggled with it a lot as well. And I remember in my O-levels, I had gotten 2 C's, both in math, and I cried for several nights on a row after that. Back then, many times, I felt that I was not good enough. I came to Dhaka for the first time in my life to study at Dhaka University. I learned how to maneuver the tricky roads of Dhaka all by myself, as have many of you, I'm sure. I grew up around this university and around this city, and these 2 places have taught me that you can pursue a million things you're passionate about and still excel academically if you put your heart to it. DU has taught me that real magic happens when you step outside of your comfort zone. When you live away from your parents, away from your home for so many years, it makes you much stronger than you could ever imagine. That rush to photocopy hundreds of sheets in front of campus shadow, long study sessions at the central library for finals or for BCS, whichever suited you, and waiting with your friends in front of registrar building for hours, or just simply spending a lazy afternoon in front of the social sciences building. I think DU gives us the best memories that we can cherish for a lifetime to come. On this note, I would also like to thank all of our teachers for always challenging us to think outside the box and to look at every situation critically. I would also like to thank our very first teachers, all of our parents who are in this room, for supporting and encouraging us all to excel. My parents are also in this room, and I would also like to thank them because they have time and again not only encouraged me to break the barriers, break the glass ceiling, but to shatter them. They encouraged me to excel, exceed, lead, and take on every challenge that life threw at me. On a last note, I would also like to add that I work on social media. I had to go to great lengths to pretend that I'm very confident, even in situations where I'm not, even in situations where I'm slightly afraid, just like right now. And I often tell myself, you're not afraid of anybody, fake it till you make it. So I would also like to tell everyone on a last note that a lot of people say, believe you can, and you're halfway there. And if anyone can, it's all of us in this room. Congratulations to all the exceptional students in this room for setting the bar so high for yourselves. I hope we continue to challenge ourselves to excel, learn, fail, and sometimes succeed too, beyond today, beyond this room, always. Thank you so much, everyone.